Bubble versus Glide. Which is the best no-code platform for small businesses? Let's break it down and start with Bubble. Bubble is known as the heavyweight champion of no-code web apps. As you can think of it as like WordPress for app building, especially for web applications, which is incredibly powerful, but it comes with a steep learning curve. As Bubble's superpower comes with unlimited customization. You can literally build anything from say like a simple booking system to having a full-scale social media platform just by creating it with using Bubble. The workflow system is like having a developer's brain in a visual interface. But here's the catch. When you launch a Bubble app, it can be slow, especially if it takes But here's the catch. Bubble apps can be slow, and something that takes 4 seconds to load can be an eternity in today's world. Plus, the learning curve is really steep. My first week, when I was trying to understand and learn Bubble for the first time, that there were so many options out there, and I spent hours trying to figure out how it's all put together, how the menu interface works and everything, and even just how to add in a simple button took me an hour and a bit to figure out and all that. Glide, on the other hand, is the simple option. It's beautiful, fast, but sometimes limiting. Glide's strength is its speed, and also the interface is intuitive and the app looks stunning on mobile with automatic responsive design. But Glide has its limitations. Complex workflows, it's not happening with Glide. Custom databases, nope, it ain't happening either. You're going to be building a beautiful interface for your data, but the heavy lifting happens elsewhere, unfortunately. Plus, once you need more than 1,000 rows of data, you're going to end up paying $25 per month just to use Glide. Now let's do a head-to-head comparison between Bubble and Glide. Let's start off with the ease of use. So the winner here in terms of ease of use will definitely have to be Glide, hands down, because if you know how to use Google Sheets, you can use Glide. Whereas Bubble requires significant time and commitment to learning how to use the platform. Customization power. The winner here would be Bubble, and this is not even close because Bubble can handle complex business logic, user roles, payment processing, and custom integrations, whereas Glide is limited to basic CRUD operations. When it comes to the mobile experience, Glide here is the winner because the mobile experience for Glide is silky and smooth, whereas Bubble apps feel like a shrunk down version of web apps which are just being shown on the phone, unfortunately. When it comes to scalability, Bubble can handle massive complexity but struggles with performance, whereas Glide is lightning fast but it has its hard limits on data and features. For that, I would say it's a bit of a tie here. When it comes to the pricing reality check, for a typical small business with 500 users, Bubble cost is between $29 to $129 a month, depending on usage, whereas Glide's pricing is between $25 to $99 a month, depending on features. So both can get expensive. I would say here overall it's a bit of a tie as well. Now here's the truth that nobody talks about. Most small businesses should start off with Glide because it's faster, easier, and it gets you to market quickly. And you can always migrate to Bubble later if you outgrow it. But even if you outgrow the no-code platforms and you need to develop a custom app, that's where I come in and that's where I can help you out. If you don't want to just become reliant on these no-code platforms and you want to build a custom app from the ground up, I can help you out with that. What I would invite you to do is to click on the link below to book in a free call with me to discuss how I can personally help you bring your app vision to life in the shortest amount of time possible without relying on no-code platforms. The link is in the description below. Again, thank you so much for watching today's video. If this video has helped you a lot, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for the latest upcoming videos, and I'll see you in the next one.